I just closed out about $3,000 or so on PayPal profit. So essentially about $1,500 every single day for 2 days because the total profit is $3,000. So I made $1,700 yesterday and then $1,550 this morning. I'll show you guys later on in the video and dive into my computer as well and show you guys why I got out.
That's good.
So I just wrapped up my workout, going back inside the house right now, about to cook up some fucking food. I'll jump to the computer, show you guys PayPal, give you guys an analysis as well. Hopefully you guys will be able to understand exactly how I got in and why I got out. Right here. If you guys haven't seen the most recent video before, showing you guys how I made $1,000 plus on PayPal, go ahead and check that out. So I closed out PayPal today for a total return of about $3,240. Yesterday I made about $1,640. And today I made another like 1,500, around 1,640. So essentially in 2 days I made about 1.5K every single day for 2 days, and then I closed out PayPal. So here is the screenshot from my phone showing you guys the PayPal. As you guys know, PayPal you can't create a demo account. PayPal you can't use fake money. Everything is real money. And if you guys have been following me on Instagram at Tyler Trades, you guys will be seeing me constantly updating all of my trades. So let's go ahead and let's look at PayPal. So, as you guys know, we all entered PayPal down here, and I closed out PayPal right now. So, a couple reasons why I closed out PayPal is because we're touching a really big resistance right here, and on the daily chart, it's an invalid ICHIMOKU breakout. So, meaning that price broke out of the cloud, but the lagging span and all the other indicators have not validated a breakout yet, indicating that PayPal will go higher. So I went ahead, I made a good money. $3,000 profit is decent to me. It's okay, it's not the best, but I'll take $3,000 profit at the high rather than it coming down and me settling for $1,500 profit. So that's one of the reasons why I got out of PayPal. If it doesn't make too much sense, go ahead and watch some of my most recent videos discussing how to trade the ICHIMOKU breakout strategy, which you guys will be able to find as well by looking at my YouTube.